My name is Harshit Pupathy, and I created the fitness app. I'm in group 14. What was the actual problem? I created a fitness app that was designed to help users track calories, track workouts, give routine advice, and allow for the users to be motivated by turning their workouts into achievements. This is the actual diagram for the app. It showcases the data, which is used to store the routines, the data models that's used to store the meals, the routines, the badges, and the workouts. This is the actual screens for the app. You have the home screen, the routine screen, the calorie screen, the progress screen, the badges screen, workout screen, and the workout form screen for creating workouts. Here you have the backend logic for the repositories. Here are the widget darts and the service darts, and then you have the actual main dart here. In milestone one, I was required to set up screens for the workout log and the calorie trackers. Then I was required to test out the functionality of the code without a database to make sure the base code would function properly. In milestone two, I was required to finish up the code by adding all the specified features for the project and add a bonus feature of including badges within the code to inspire the user to use the app further and track their workout progress. I added the routines and meal tracking into the program for the finishing touches. The database connector acts as a data access layer for the entire app. It connects the UI logic to the underlying SQL database. The app screen changer works as a application controller. It hosts the live data of your workouts, your meals, your badges, your streaks, and your routines, and saves it into the UI so that it can so that the app registers that new data has been added. The workout records are a data model, or the part of the code that functions for the data model to represent a single workout. It makes sure that each consistency is added across the database. The badge reset function is used to make sure that each time the Monday appears, the badge is reset so that you're able to unlock the badges again and again. For testing the code, I create I created several unit tests for each Dart and feature to ensure that every feature worked and ran smoothly for the user. These tests were used to verify the SQLite repository and data models that carry the data. I used sample test data of meals and workouts to ensure the progress was measured for calories and workout tracking. The process ensured that the final product had optimal delivery and performance. All right. So now on to the demo itself. Here we have the home screen, which showcases the streaks. You can also see the badges that you earned here and here with the trophy icon. On to it shows today's number of workouts, the number of calories you've intaked, and how many calories you should be intaking, and just a little bit of encouragement to keep you going. Here are the quick action buttons to add the workout, add the meals, start the routines. Here are another subset of buttons to showcase the screens. Workout screen, which you can already see the workouts I've already done. If you want, you can add your own workout here. You can select the type. Just say I did weightlifting and I did 5 reps, 60 minutes. And I'll just say, I'm not really sure. I don't know that much about weightlifting. Let's just say, let's see, I lifted 90 pounds. Lifted 90. I'm not sure if that means anything. Save and see it gets added to your workout. Here you can track calories by adding it to either adding all the food of what you ate for your breakfast, your lunch, your dinner. I'll just say for dinner, I had, didn't really have that much mac and cheese. And I can just say how many calories I had. I guess it might have had 300. I'm not too sure. It was sample size of one. Also had a Sprite, guessing that's 600. I don't know. 1,000 calories and sample size one. I can also mention how many snacks you had, and this is registered for this specific day. Here, your progress bar tells you the number of calories you ate for the last 7 days and how many workouts you did per day for the last 7 days. Finally, there's a subset of routines that have been given to you that you can do when performing your workouts. It ranges from beginner, intermediate to max, and they're all recorded for yoga, cycling, weightlifting, and running. And if you want to make your own custom routine, you can do that here and add all the steps. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the demo. The actual base for the actual code. Here we have the code for the main Dart file. Basically, the glue that holds all the code together. The data for the routine itself. Basically, adding all the basic routines that you want to see. The data models for keeping track of the badges. The data model for the meals, routines, workout. This is just the screen data, the code of what the badges screen would look like, the calorie tracking screen, your home screen, basically showing all the icons here. Here you have the progress bar. Then you have the routines and what that looks like. The workout form, basically the form to add the different workouts. And finally, the workout dart itself that showcases the workouts. Then you have the repository logic. This is used to make sure that your data is stored locally using SQLite. See all the CRUD logic on the backend side. Making sure all your workouts, your meals, your badges are stored within the code itself. The widgets used for the app. Making sure you can touch all the screen. And yeah, thank you for watching. This was all. Bye.